Welcome to Adventures with Captain Ray Kelly. On this adventure, we go to Long Island, New York, and we're going to do a review of the StarRC Foldable Landing Gear for the Mavic 3. Hi everybody. Well, today we're going to do the review of the Foldable Extended Landing Gear for the Mavic 3, and I'll give you a look at it. And this looks like it's going to be great because the Mavic 3 sits a little low on the landing pad, and if you got high grass or whatever, you just never know. So let's open it up, take a look, and I'll show it to you, and I'll show you how easy it is to put on. But that's what it looks like. And the legs come down, fold down, right like that, and they lock into place like that. So you take your Mavic 3, right, and there's little grabbers, and they just go on the front right there, like that, and then you bring it up, and the little clips clip on the side, and there it is. And she sits a little higher now. Actually, it's a good inch higher, which is great. I'll give you a look at it on the landing pad. As you can see, it sits higher. But let's go outside and give it a try. And I'll have to say, the Mavic 3 looked pretty cool with this landing gear on it. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel now. And if you hit the little bell, you'll be notified of our new videos. And the landing gear didn't affect the flying of the Mavic 3 at all. And I figured I'd fly over, see if we could spot any of the koi, but they were hiding. You could barely see some right there. This is just a quick flight testing out the StarRC retractable folding landing gear. Let's see how the Mavic 3 lands with it on. Let's watch the landing one more time. Here's the landing from a different angle. Well, I have to say, I got a nice little flight in over the pond, and this StarRC foldable landing gear for the Mavic 3 worked great. They really give extra clearance off the ground, sits a little higher, so I'll have to say, I highly recommend them. And as always, thanks for watching.